So back in January, I told you that Acer could be working on a gaming handheld. Well, I'm at IFA 2024 and this is the Acer Nitro Blaze 7. Where's my medal? So as you can see, it's all very much your standard gaming handheld sort of thing that you're expecting. Bunch of fans, you don't want to get stuff in there. But the main differences that we're noticing here, there are 3 of them. Number 1 is the choice of CPU. Now you see most companies like Asus go for the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme, whereas here, turns out that that's just not extreme enough for Acer, and they've gone for the Ryzen 7 8840HS. Now, why have they gone for this rocket ship? Personally, I don't know. But at the end of the day, with the 28-watt TDP, you can see frame rates of around about 70 frames a second in Shadow of the Tomb Raider, which, to be fair, is pretty bonkers on a gaming handheld. Number 2, while the 1080p IPS display sounds a bit standard on paper, what you're actually getting instead is a 144 Hz refresh rate, which is 20 more than you're seeing on a lot of the competition. Now, if you're there saying, I'm the kind of person that can notice the difference between 120 and 144, I've got a bridge to sell you, but the faster the frame rates, the smoother the gameplay is regardless. And number 3 is the way that Acer's trying to work around Windows 11 on these things. As my man Tony said in his Asus ROG Ally X review, Windows 11 absolutely sucks on a gaming handheld. And I'm trying to say that quietly because I am actually at IFA, so shh. So when it comes to working your way around Windows 11 and like the trackpad and everything, you realize that to kind of do something as simple as like open the keyboard, you're doing like a multiple button shortcut to get there. Whereas here, you actually have a button in the bottom corner just to pop open the keyboard. Makes it a lot easier to get around Windows. Pricing is a big question mark at the moment. Acer hasn't said anything about that. Personally hoping for around about the $600 range, like every other gaming handheld. If they went in at like the Ally X price, given like the smaller battery on this thing, makes me a little bit nervous, but we'll find out. So what are your thoughts? Head on down in the comments and let me know. If you want to see more of IFA 2024, you can check us out on tomsguide.com. Don't forget to subscribe. I've been Jason England, and I'll speak to you in the next one.